Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What are the learning objectives of a robotic process automation course? The learning objectives of a robotic process automation (RPA) course may vary depending on the specific course and the provider. However, some common learning objectives of an RPA course may include understanding RPA and its applications. Students will learn about the basics of RPA, including what it is, how it works, and its applications in various industries. Identifying opportunities for automation. Students will learn how to identify processes that can be automated and how to assess the potential benefits of automation. Workflow creation. Students will learn how to create workflows and automate processes using RPA tools and technologies. Data manipulation. Students will learn how to manipulate data using RPA tools and technologies to automate data-driven processes. Process optimization. Students will learn how to optimize business processes by analyzing data, identifying inefficiencies, and automating repetitive tasks. Cognitive automation. Students will learn about cognitive automation and how it can be used to automate processes that involve complex decision-making and natural language processing. Machine learning. Students will learn about machine learning and how it can be used to improve the accuracy and efficiency of RPA solutions. Ethics and governance. Students will learn about the ethical and governance issues related to RPA, including privacy, security, and compliance. By the end of the course, students should have a solid understanding of RPA and its applications, as well as the skills and knowledge needed to implement RPA solutions in their organizations. What are the different levels of robotic process automation courses? There are different levels of robotic process automation, RPA, courses that cater to students with varying levels of experience and knowledge in RPA. Here are the different levels of RPA courses. Beginner level. These courses are designed for students with little or no experience in RPA. The courses cover the basics of RPA, such as the definition, uses, and benefits of RPA. The courses also introduce students to RPA tools and technologies and provide hands-on training in creating simple workflows. Intermediate level. These courses are designed for students who have some experience in RPA or have completed a beginner-level course. The courses cover more advanced topics such as process optimization, data manipulation, and cognitive automation. The courses also provide more extensive hands-on training in creating complex workflows. Advanced level. These courses are designed for students who have significant experience in RPA and are looking to specialize in a specific area of RPA, such as machine learning or cognitive automation. The courses cover advanced topics in RPA and provide hands-on training in implementing complex RPA solutions. Certification courses. These courses provide students with certification upon completion and demonstrate their proficiency in RPA. Certification courses can be at any level, from beginner to advanced, and are recognized by the industry as a validation of RPA skills. By choosing the right level of RPA course based on their experience and knowledge, students can build their skills and advance their careers in the field of automation. How can you prepare for a robotic process automation course? Preparing for a robotic process automation (RPA) course can help you make the most of your learning experience and maximize your chances of success. Here are some ways to prepare for an RPA course. Review basic concepts. Before starting an RPA course, it is recommended to review the basic concepts of automation, such as business processes, data management, and software development. Brush up on programming languages. Depending on the course, it may be necessary to have a basic understanding of programming languages such as Python or Java. Brushing up on these languages can help you keep up with the course content and complete hands-on exercises. Familiarize yourself with RPA tools. Research the RPA tools that will be used in the course and try to familiarize yourself with their features and functionalities. Identify learning objectives. Review the course syllabus and identify the learning objectives. This can help you set goals for yourself and focus on the areas where you need to improve. Practice time management. RPA courses can be intensive and require a significant time commitment. Practice time management skills to balance your coursework with your other commitments. Stay up to date with industry trends. Stay up to date with the latest developments and trends in the RPA industry. This can help you stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions about the applications of RPA in your organization. By preparing for an RPA course, you can set yourself up for success and get the most out of your learning experience. What are the best practices for learning robotic process automation? Here are some best practices for learning robotic process automation, RPA. Start with the basics. Begin with the fundamental concepts of RPA before moving on to more advanced topics. This will help you build a strong foundation and understand the key principles of RPA. Practice hands-on. RPA is a practical skill, and you need to practice to become proficient. Hands-on practice with RPA tools is essential to get a deeper understanding of how RPA works and develop practical skills. Join online communities. Join online communities, forums, or social media groups dedicated to RPA. This can help you connect with other RPA learners, ask questions, and get support. Attend workshops and webinars. Attend workshops and webinars related to RPA. These can provide valuable insights into the latest RPA trends, best practices, and technologies. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other learners and work on RPA projects together. This can help you learn from others, share ideas, and improve your skills. Read RPA-related materials. Read blogs, books, or articles about RPA to keep yourself updated on the latest industry developments, best practices, and emerging trends. Get certified. Consider obtaining an RPA certification to validate your skills and knowledge. This can demonstrate your expertise to employers and clients. By following these best practices, you can develop a solid understanding of RPA and the skills needed to implement RPA solutions in your organization. How can you apply the concepts learned in a robotic process automation course? After completing a robotic process automation, RPA, course, you can apply the concepts you've learned in several ways. Here are some suggestions. Automate business processes. Use the RPA tools and techniques you've learned to automate repetitive and time-consuming business processes. Identify processes that can benefit from automation and design RPA workflows to improve efficiency and accuracy. Optimize processes. Use the data and analytics tools you've learned to optimize business processes. Analyze process performance, identify bottlenecks, and make improvements to increase efficiency and reduce errors. Implement RPA solutions. Use the RPA tools and methodologies you've learned to implement RPA solutions in your organization. Work with IT teams and other stakeholders to identify areas where RPA can be applied and design solutions to meet business needs. Experiment with emerging technologies. Stay up to date with the latest trends and emerging technologies in the RPA field. Experiment with new tools and technologies to explore new ways to automate business processes and increase efficiency. Share knowledge. Share your knowledge and experience with others in your organization or community. Collaborate with colleagues to implement RPA solutions and share best practices and lessons learned with others in the RPA community. By applying the concepts learned in an RPA course, you can help your organization streamline processes, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. You can also stay ahead of the curve by exploring new technologies and sharing your knowledge with others in the RPA community. What are the different types of automation tools used in robotic process automation? There are different types of automation tools used in robotic process automation, RPA, that can be broadly categorized into three types. Rule-based automation. Rule-based automation tools follow predefined rules to perform tasks. These rules are programmed into the RPA system and executed whenever the relevant conditions are met. Rule-based automation is ideal for tasks that follow a clear and predictable set of rules. Knowledge-based automation. Knowledge-based automation tools use artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to perform tasks. These tools can learn from data and improve over time, making them ideal for tasks that require decision-making or reasoning. Chatbot automation. Chatbot automation tools use natural language processing, NLP, and artificial intelligence to simulate human conversation. These tools can handle customer inquiries and provide assistances without the need for human intervention. Some of the popular RPA tools include UiPath. UiPath is a rule-based RPA tool that can automate a wide range of tasks, from data entry to customer service. Automation Anywhere. Automation Anywhere is a knowledge-based RPA tool that can learn from data and make intelligent decisions. Blue Prism. Blue Prism is a rule-based RPA tool that can automate back-office processes, including finance and HR. IBM Watson. IBM Watson is a chatbot automation tool that uses NLP and machine learning to interact with customers and provide assistances. By understanding the different types of automation tools used in RPA, you can choose the right tool for your needs and automate tasks more efficiently. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.